Let me explain this example. The scores of an entrance test for the high school pass outs in a particular year were bell-shaped. If the mean and the variance were 490 and 10,000 respectively. First, let me understand given information. It doesn't mention this has normal distribution, but bell shape. It is enough to assume this has a normal distribution. So mean is 490 and the variance is 10,000. So when we have variance, how do we find the standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of the variance. But first let me define the random variable x. It is the scores of an entrance test because here we are talking about scores of an entrance test. So we can find the standard deviation, the square root of the variance, that is 100. Now we can assume x has the normal distribution 490 and the variance is 100. Mean is the 490. This is the density curve for this case. Then first one, what percentage of students scored between 390 and 590 on this test? Right. We need to find the area under the curve and between 390 and 590. So that is the percentage. How do we find this? We can apply 68, 95, 99.7 rule, or we can say empirical rule. Yes, let me check how to get the 390. Mu minus sigma is 390. And also we know mu plus sigma is 590. That means this area is within one standard deviation. According to the empirical rule, we know within one standard deviation we have 68%, right? Therefore, we can apply this to our case. So we can say the percentage between 390 and 590 is 68%. Right. Now let me go to the second part. The score of a student was 795. What can you say about his performance as compared to rest of the scores? Right. Now let me mark this number 795. If we can find this area, then we can give the answer for this question. But let me check how can we go to the 795. So we know mu plus 3 sigma is 790. That is not the 795, but which is close. So 790 is here. Now if we can find this area, we can say 795 is in this region, right? Okay. Now how do we find this area? The area at in the right side. Yes. Now again go back to the rule, empirical rule. We understood that 790 can be taken mu plus using mu plus 3 sigma. Then let me check mu minus 3 sigma. That is 190. Right. Now you see, using the empirical rule, the middle area is within 3 standard deviations. That means the percentage of the middle area is 99.7. So this is 99.7. But we need the area, corner area at our right side. Right? Then how do we find that area? Yes, since this density curve is bell-shaped and symmetric about mean, which is 490, we can say these two corner areas, the white regions, are the same. And we know total area or entire area under the curve is 1. Then 1 minus 0.997 is 0.003. That means both area, the white regions, is 0.003. Again, this is symmetry. Therefore, how do we find the just one side area? That means one white area. Yes, we know 0.003 divided by 2. Then we can have 0.0015 in the both each regions, right? Then what is our question? Our question, we need to find the right side area. So now we know already that is 0.0015. Therefore, we can say the student is in the top 0.15%. I hope you understand, and I will explain more example in my next videos.